Alright, what's up guys? So, after a long time since we posted last time, I finally got a real car mod. And of course it's gonna be the exhaust because I love my car sound, but it's too quiet right now. And we got these dudes here. We got Ethan, we got Key, we got Irrelevant. I was like, it's Brian. So, just raised my car. It was kind of sketchy because this shit like hella moves up, but I got it up, and we're just gonna throw on some PV blaster to get rid of all the rust. Yeah, something I learned: just throw PV blaster whenever you have rust. It should get rid of all the rust, but it doesn't. Let's just hope it helps. So the exhaust I got is the Top Speed Pro one. Just like a little. The best budget. Alright, get out the way.
It's not gonna make your car fast though.
It doesn't matter.
Y'all, you guys ready?
That's what I like, dude.
Yo, that's basically, that part itself is Ethan's exhaust.
Yeah? Oh yeah. What kind of tip is this?
Yo, did you get a stock exhaust?
You probably have the tip somewhere in there.
Yeah.
What is this? What the hell is this?
I want to cut. Poke, dude.
Yeah, let me see it.
Oh,
Three
is
fingers.
that it? Oh, okay, that's it. That's it.
3 fingers.
Bro, 3-finger fit.
Yeah, 4, no. Ew.
What do you expect? There's like oil in here.
Oh shit, yeah.
Yeah.
I wonder what I got for Christmas today.
So currently, his bolt is stuck, and
Bolt's fucked up.
yep. Yo, my guy Key, what is this? What's this? What's this white stuff on your?
What
Yeah.
white stuff?
Yeah, you got white stuff on your hat, dude.
Oh, dude, that was from you last night. You remember?
Alright guys, we're back. And went to O'Reilly's, of course. Ethan went to McDonald's. And then, so I got these bolt extractors. They have like that fucking threading, whatever. So we're just probably trying to hammer that on to the fucking strip nut and then see if that comes off. If it doesn't, fuck, and I'll probably do it take out my white pipe and then install. It's that time, boys and girls. What time is it, Ethan?
It's time for the bitch to get loud.
To get loud! Yeah, so my white pipe finally came in. I tried installing the exhaust last time, and the connection between the mid pipe and the white pipe was basically welded, so I had to spend like 160 bucks, wait a whole ass 2 weeks to get my white pipe. And yeah, we'll just show you guys the unboxing, and then I'll do like a stock exhaust, you know, pull in the car, and then we'll do the install, and then bam, get lit with us.
Alright, so the boy Jason finna unbox this bitch.
Yeah, see, look, like this hole is so fucking big because like this shit's so fucking loud. The Amazon man was like, "What the fuck is this, bro?"
Shut the fuck up, dude. Hella corny.
Dude, look how big this shit is, bro.
Why though?
But bro, it's as long as my arm.
Alright, so Jason finna do a stock start. Yeah, it's not bad, but you know, could definitely be better.
Yeah, could be a lot better.
Want to do some revs?
Yeah.
Ooh, yeah, see, there's some little pops. Alright, so Jason, what you doing?
Got this jacket on the stomach.
Okay.
And then have to get a high enough to I could lift it up from the rear diff. Yep. So I had to put jacks on both sides.
Oh, I see. Is it that like black piece?
It's the silver.
Is different too.
Wait, you know, you got it?
I hope. I didn't just break my tool.
I think you got it.
Oh, I fucking got it, motherfucker.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Damn. They're really trying to get out this bolt.
3, 2, 1, go.
Alright, let me try it now. Oh, I gotta get something.
1, 2, 3.
Yes! Yeah! Let's fucking go!
Mega Man.
Mega Man! Oh shit, the lighting's ass.
You may go ahead and start.
Alright guys, so we got like 2 of the bolts off on my driver's side. Now
He said I
we just need to get the passenger side.
So I think
We couldn't get it, so we just sprayed some PB blaster on that bitch. Try to get that rust off, and then we'll probably check back in like fuck 10 minutes. Right there, yep. Yes! Yes. Alright, you can move out, Woo! My shoulder burning now. We finally got that bitch off. All we need to fucking do is take out the hangers, put the new one in, and start that bitch. Yeah, we're getting lit now. Shout out Jamin.
Do that again. Ooh. Do the dance. Hold on. Y'all aren't ready for this?
Oh! Oh!
Yeah, you got the hangers off.
So basically we took out the exhaust and we're just gonna start it.
Yeah. We are all curious.
Oh, the gasket. What? The gasket. Oh, that shit stinks.
Hold on.
Hey, I'm revving.
Yeah, go. Hey.
Oh, that shit stanky. So now we just get the gaskets, put together the exhaust, and then rip it. Alright guys, it's currently almost nighttime. And we finally got it on, and we cleaned up everything, and we're about to start it.
Yeah. Yeah, it's not bad, but you know, could definitely be better.
Yeah, could be a lot better.
Want to do some revs?
Yeah.
Ooh, yeah, see, there's some little pops. Ooh, okay. Yeah. Ooh, new exhaust smell, bro. Whew. Pop.
Do it again.
Pop. Haha.
I'm recording.
Oh, cops.